We will and parachute all the guns of the forces. Get ready. Airborne from skies up blue. Heading the glow. Coming. Make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachutes, get all those gliders.
And today on Have a Knife Day, we're here at Blade Show 2025, and we're here with Philip. Philip, tell us about your company and what you have brought to the show.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Philip from Utsch from Germany, and I want to show you our products. This is our Tiny. It's a titanium handle. It's 3D printed and it's hollow on the inside. So the whole knife is the same weight as 2 Twinkies.
You didn't see anything.
Okay, it's extremely lightweight, but it's stable more stable as a full tank because it's all metal and you can't destroy the connection between handle and blade. I can show it to you if you want.
Please
because
do.
You can beton with the handle and split wood. This wood is really wet, so it's hard to beton. Perfect to show what the knife can do.
And Philip just happens to be the most calm person here.
Again, please?
You're very calm because you get all of your anger.
I was an blacksmith for a long time.
That definitely made a statement. You're a knife that does its own stunts. It does. And what else do you have here today?
Yeah, we have a lot of other models, like the Machete. Yeah, it's also titanium printed, and you can put out the lanyard here. Go in, turn 2 times on the wrist, and then you have a really safe knife because you can't lose it. And it can't swing down in your leg.
Very good, very good. And you also have some stuff over here. Oh, they're the same knives, and you also have other titanium 3D printed. Oh, what's this?
Fries fork with bottle opener, extra sample. Or we have some with, it's not here on the table, with the ice spoon.
Yes.
On the other side.
Oh, very good.
We have Kubotans with glass breaker pearls, or Sharpie caps, also with glass breakers.
Very good.
Kitchen knives as well.
And tell me about that one right there.
That's a cooperation between Busted Knives. It's a Spanish knife brand. And UG Tools. And yeah, that's Magna Cut blade also.
Very good.
Yeah.
Now, Philip, tell us how to get a hold of you.
Again, please.
How can we get a hold of you? What is your contact information?
Okay, the best way is to visit udtools.com. You can switch the language to English, and there are a bunch of information. Also YouTube, there are a lot of YouTube reviews about our knives you can find, mostly in Germany, but the translation function is really good.
And on my part, I'm going to get one of your business cards, and you guys can find the links in the descriptions. All right, Philip, thank you so much for taking time. Have a great show, and have a nice day.
Thanks.
We will and parachute all the guns of the forces. Get ready. Airborne from skies up blue. Heading the glow. Coming. Make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachutes, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up.